So the LA Times recently ran this article about information you need to know about the vaccine. And the most important thing is way down here in the final section, which asks the question, what about those if those who have been vaccinated can still spread the virus? This has been one of my contentions. I brought it up with my classes so far as we've been talking. It's not a microbiology class, it's just a general biology class, about whether or not once vaccinated you can still spread it. Because if you can still spread it, or if you need an update, if you need a booster every year, then what the hell is the point of getting the shot? Because it won't allow us to reopen things or go without masks, and it means the shots aren't effective if we have to get them again. Because here's the problem. Viral particles are so small that it is very easy for them to go to the body of another uninfected person. So anyone infected or exposed to it could potentially transmit it, which means that even if we get vaccinated, then getting a passport with a special endorsement that says we've been vaccinated will still not suffice. It still won't mean anything. It's just a way for governments to say, we're doing something. But they probably can't do anything, because even if you have the vaccine, even if your passport says you've been vaccinated, if you can still carry it with you when you travel across a border or in a plane, wherever you go, then this is all just a way for them to waste time, waste money, and abuse your private medical information in order to learn things about you so that they can control you. And it still supports hygiene, masking, and distancing. So I don't understand what the point of the vaccine was in the first place, if this is true.